welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. To be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never miss a video, and if you are located in the United States, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So to prime my eyes, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid, and then I always blend it with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set everything in place with translucent powder. So first I went in with my Kaleidos Cosmetics Futurism Neon Palette, and I picked up this bright yellow eyeshadow, and I just used that as my transition shade in my crease, going in back and forth motions. And then I went in with my Colourpop Good as Gold eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I picked up the shade Digging You, and I grabbed a defined angled brush and I started to apply that in my crease to add definition, just starting to map out that line. And you guys already know I like to apply the eyeshadow above my actual crease so that it frames my eye socket versus being directly in my crease. And then I picked up that neon yellow eyeshadow once again, and I just put that directly over top of that line, just really blending it out, going in circular motions and back and forth motions. And then I went back into that matte brown eyeshadow, and I started to pack that all over my outer lid area, fading it inwards. And I just want a nice gradient from inner to outer corner, and as you guys can see, the closer I get to the center of the lid, I'm just doing light tapping motions. And then I went back into my Too Faced concealer and I just cleaned up the inner part of my lid, and then I went ahead and set it in place with translucent powder. And then I went back into that neon yellow eyeshadow and I just packed that all over my lid. And I'm pretty much avoiding the outer lid and the area where I applied that matte brown eyeshadow. And then I went in with my NYX glitter primer and my BH Cosmetics gold glitter, and I just put that in my crease. And so what I do is I apply the NYX glitter glue to my brush and I let it get a little bit tacky for a few seconds, and then I go directly over top with the glitter. And then I lowered the tape so that I have two lines, and then I went in with the neon yellow eyeshadow and I started to apply that in that empty area. And then I did the same thing with the matte brown eyeshadow that we went in with earlier. And then I went in with the glitter glue and the glitter once again, and I just put that in the negative space. And I've really been loving this type of look. I just feel like it's super elegant and dramatic, and yeah. And then for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bora Bora. I'll leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I picked up that neon yellow shade once again, and I just started to put that on the lower lashes from inner to outer corner. And then I went in with that matte brown eyeshadow and mainly focused it on the outer edge. And then going back into that neon eyeshadow once again, just to blend everything out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!